Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 10 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let me show you the way to block a number using the contact list, and secondly I'll show you it using, let's say, the settings. So let's enter the contact list first, and now let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now all you have to do is to simply pick the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. As you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to block a number, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see, we've got the information here that this number is blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just tap here and tap on unblock, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So that was the first way to block a number which is currently saved on your device. And now we can check another way, so using the settings, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon and enter the settings. Here we've got blocked numbers, and as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to our blacklist, and this is the number we just blocked from our contact list. So everything went fine, we successfully blocked it. So here you can add a number, so let's tap on it, and here you can add it manually, so you do not have to have the number saved on your contact list. You can just simply copy it and paste it here, or if you remember it, so just enter. Tap on block if you are ready, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the blacklist. What's more, here we've got the option which, after activating just by tapping on the switcher, will block calls from unidentified callers, which is also quite cool. You can turn it off the same way. So if you'd like to unblock the number, of course, if it was saved on the contacts, you can go back to the contact list and do it via the settings which are there, but you can of course unblock it also just by tapping on this X button here. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Redmi 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.